Hi everybody, welcome to week 9. We've just got 1 week left after this, so it's really important that you stay on top of the assignments for this week. This week we're focusing mainly on the theory of writing paper. I'm going to ask you to do some pre-writing exercises for that before it's due on Thursday. So Tuesday I'm going to ask you, Monday I'm going to ask you to find some quotations from the three sources that you're choosing for the paper. And Tuesday, I'm going to ask you to write about those in a journal. Wednesday, I'm going to ask you to outline your first draft, and Thursday night, the first draft of the theory of writing is due. This week, we're going to talk about summarizing, quoting, and paraphrasing, and how to avoid plagiarism. Um, And uh, I'm just going to check in with each of you guys and make sure that you've got all of the big assignments in because at the end of next week, we're all done and the deadlines for Friday next week are firm because the class is over and grades are due the following Tuesday. So I got to get everything from you guys that you're going to complete by Friday of next week. So please make sure that you get a first draft of the theory of writing in on um, on Thursday. But we'll be working on that both in Tuesday and Thursday's class. If you need to talk to me, please send me an email and we can set up a meeting on Teams. I will check in with a bunch of you guys tomorrow. So please accept my invitation to come to that meeting. Okay, thank you, and I will see you in Tuesday's class, if not before.